If you want to update your display name on Crunchyroll, follow these quick and easy steps. Having a personalized display name makes your profile more recognizable and unique. Open the Crunchyroll app on your mobile device. Tap on the account in the bottom right corner. In the profile menu, tap on the pencil icon in the bottom right corner of your profile photo. Here you can change your profile name. Enter your new desired display name. This is seen within your household and can be changed anytime. Tap the orange Save button to apply the changes. Your display name will now be updated across the Crunchyroll platform. If the change doesn't reflect immediately, try closing and reopening the app. Make sure you have a stable internet connection to ensure your changes are saved properly. You can update your display name as many times as you want, so feel free to experiment. For more helpful tutorials, subscribe to our channel and stay tuned for more tips.